Budgeting Lesson 8, Automating Your Savings. In this lesson, you'll learn why automating your savings is an essential part of your financial success. We will cover different options for setting up automatic transfers and additional ways to save money using apps. Saving money is a challenge for a lot of people. If you automate your savings accounts versus manually transferring money each month, you're more likely to actually save money. When you take the human element out of transferring the money, an amazing thing happens. Your savings balance grows without you even having to think about it. When you have an automatic savings plan, it takes the guesswork out of saving money each month. Once you set up the transfers, it's hands off the rest of the way. There are two ways to set up automatic transfers: through your employer or through your bank. If you have direct deposit through your employer, ask if they offer split direct deposit as an option. When you fill out your bank account information with your employer, there's usually an option where you can determine a specific amount of money or a percentage of your paycheck that you'd like to have deposited into your savings account on payday. It doesn't matter if it's $10 or $500. Simply setting this up automatically ensures that you save money every time you get paid. The remainder of your paycheck gets deposited into your checking account like it normally would. If your employer doesn't offer split direct deposits, then the other option is setting up automated transfers through your bank. You can set up automatic transfers to move money from your checking account to your savings account. Based on the budget you created, you should already know how much money you want to transfer into your savings accounts. Now, all you have to do is figure out what day you want the money to be transferred. You obviously need to make sure you have the money in your account on that day, otherwise the transfer won't go through. An example of this would be if you get paid on the 1st and 15th of every month, you could set the transfer to go through on the 3rd and the 17th, just in case your direct deposit was delayed for some reason. When it comes to saving money, the most important thing is that it's done on a consistent basis. Having the money transferred automatically makes it effortless to save money because you don't even have to think about it. Plus, once you learn to live within the budget you create, you won't even miss the money you're saving each month. Another way to save money that's become more popular over the last few years is using an app that rounds up your purchases. For example, let's say you swiped your debit card for lunch or for coffee. The amount is rounded up to the next dollar. So if your coffee was $5.46, it would get rounded up to $6. The difference would be automatically transferred into your savings account or an investment account. This is like the digital version of keeping a change jar or a piggy bank. Some big banks have caught on to this trend and now offer special bank accounts that round up every purchase and transfer it to your savings. On average, people save around $125 per year with these types of apps or bank accounts. And while $125 isn't a lot of money, every little bit helps. And just to be clear, this does not replace an automated savings plan. It just helps you save a little extra money on the side. For a list of apps that help boost your savings account, check out the Savings App Resource Guide in the download section of this lesson. You just learned about setting up automatic transfers to your savings accounts. We went over the importance of automating your savings, ways to set them up, and how to use apps to boost your savings. You already know how many savings accounts you will be using based on the worksheet from Banking Lesson 5. You know how much money you will be depositing into those accounts based on the Create Your Budget worksheet in the previous lesson. Now it's time to actually set up the automatic transfers. Don't skip this part. It's so important, and I promise you won't regret it.